Hey Ashish,
Hey Siddharth, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? You wanted to catch up on something.
Yeah, actually, I need your help.
What can I do for you? Tell me.
I've been planning to buy a new car, and everyone is suggesting me to go for an automatic one. Now, I agree on the automatic part, but is there any automatic car in the market that is comfortable both physically and financially? Not to mention the cost of owning one. I mean, fuel efficient and easy to maintain.
See, that's a very common query, and honestly, what really fits your requirement is an AMT.
What is an AMT?
AMT, automated manual transmission, but of late, I think it's gotten more popular as AGS,
Oh yeah.
auto gear shift.
Yes,
Maruti, Suzuki calls it that. In fact, they also have the widest range of cars with this technology. So why don't we go to like an arena showroom
That
close
would be
by,
great.
and
That would be great.
I can help you. So Maruti is like the pioneer with this technology, AGS, here in India.
Yeah.
Bunch of its cars already have it. The Celerio, the Vitara Brezza, the Swift, the Desire, the Wagoner, the Espresso. So why don't we do a test drive on one of these cars?
That would be great.
Yeah. All right. So an automated manual transmission, that technology is a smart innovation that operates gears with an intelligent shift control actuator.
Oh.
So you're not actually having to then change gears manually.
Oh, this is really cool.
So very simple. Let's put all of that into action. Put the foot on the brake. Okay. Start the ignition. So just put it in D and off we go. So all I have to do is push the accelerator, as you can see, and we're driving. It's as convenient as that. No need to operate the gears.
This is so simple, so convenient, and so comfortable. So that's all fine, but what about the traffic situation?
For that, there's something called a creep function. Now, the technology allows you that you can maintain a really low speed without having to press the accelerator. So basically, once you release the brake pedal, even if you're caught in really slow-moving traffic, the car starts to roll with ease.
Ease? How can inclines be ease? I mean, don't you think a little spurt of power will help?
Well, Ashish, you're right. Now, notice what happens here. All I'm going to do is...
Wow.
So that's what we call the kick down function that comes into play. This function automatically lowers the gear to give you better power when you need it and when you need it the most, like when you're driving up a flyover.
Some say this car has dual driving mode. What's that?
So an AGS basically lets you change your driving mode. So you're on automatic like we are right now. You can go to manual as well within a second. So you can change the lever to the M side, and what you get is better torque, better power to accelerate when you need it. So in terms of being able to control the drive based on your own preference. So all you have to do is shift that lever like I said, and once it's in manual mode, use it like an automatic transmission and come back to D.
This is
back
pretty
to automatic.
awesome. So that all this is fine, but what about the mileage? I hope that doesn't burn a hole in my pocket.
So absolutely not. In fact, with manual cars, you have to use the clutch and the gear with a fair amount of precision to be able to achieve, really good mileage and efficiency. Especially in traffic, that can be really painful. So with an AGS or an automatic like this one, those precision movements are taken care of automatically. And so, contrary to what most people think about automatics, and especially even these cars, it'll actually give you the optimum fuel efficiency.
That's a relief.
So let me add to your relief then. Apart from the fuel efficiency angle, even the technology itself is actually low maintenance. So, made up your mind yet? Or do we need to go for yet another spin?
I don't think that's required. I'm pretty convinced.
You can go automatic too, with ease and without worrying about your wallet. And always remember, any car you're in, please wear your seatbelt.
Always.